Are you in the Thirroul area and struggling with your garage door remote control? Common issues such as dead batteries, interference, or the need for reprogramming can all lead to frustration and inconvenience by preventing your garage door from operating smoothly. Don't let remote control problems keep you stuck outside or your garage door unsecured. Take action today and call 0409-774-111. Our team of qualified professionals is ready to swiftly diagnose and solve any remote control issues, ensuring your garage door works perfectly every time. Don't wait for the problem to worsen. Call now for expert garage door solutions in Thirroul.